Ah, the classic. Tell me about yourself. It kicks off just about every software engineer interview. And let's be honest, it causes a ton of anxiety for so many of us.
I mean, these are the four words that can literally make or break your first impression. You know it's coming, you've probably even practiced for it, but when you hear it, the pressure is on. It really does set the tone for the entire conversation, and nailing it can put you on the fast track to getting that offer. So let's just dive right in. In this explainer, we're going to break down exactly how to turn this question from something you dread into maybe your single biggest opportunity to really stand out. Okay, so to craft a really killer answer, we first have to get inside the interviewer's head. We need to understand, what are they actually asking? Because let's be real, this isn't just a warm-up, it's kind of your first test. And here's the thing, the most important point is to just relax. It's not a trick question. Think of it as an icebreaker. The interviewer's goal is just to get you talking, to set the stage for the rest of the conversation. Seriously, they're not trying to trip you up. They are rooting for you to do well.
All right, so before we build the perfect answer, we got to talk about what not to do. Let's go over some of the most common traps that can just scream, "I'm not prepared."
Yeah, these are the big ones. Any of these can sink your chances before you even get to the technical stuff. Rambling? That's a huge one. It just eats up valuable time. And reciting your resume word for word? They have it right in front of them. It's totally redundant. Oh, and please don't ever ask, "What do you want to know?" That just sounds unprepared and kind of puts the work back on them. Your job is to lead the conversation. I love this quote because it just nails the most common mistake. They know your name. It's on your resume. It was in the email. Jumping straight into your story is such a power move. It shows you're confident and that you respect their time. Okay, so now that we know what not to do, let's talk about the principles of a great answer. What are the building blocks of something powerful and memorable? Rule number one, keep it short. Your whole pitch should be under 2 minutes, period. This isn't your entire life story, right? It's the movie trailer. It keeps the momentum going, and most importantly, it shows you respect the interviewer's time. Next up, you have got to be targeted. A generic one-size-fits-all answer is such a wasted opportunity. You need to read that job description like it's a treasure map, and then craft a story that connects your skills directly to what they need. You want to make it ridiculously easy for them to see you as the perfect fit. And here's a powerful way to think about it. Imagine your past roles are like links on a website. Your job isn't to explain everything on the page. Just give them a really compelling headline, something that makes them want to click and ask for more details on the projects they care about. So, how do we actually pull all of this together? Well, there's a simple, super effective 3-part formula you can use every single time to tell a great story. It's the who, how, why formula. It's so simple. Part 1, who you are. That's the present. Your current role, your years of experience. Part 2, how you got here. This is the past. A quick highlight reel of the accomplishments that make you a great match. And finally, part 3, why you're here. This is the future. Why this specific role? And what value are you going to bring to their team? Okay, so theory is great and all, but let's see how this actually works in the real world. We're going to look at how this formula plays out for engineers at every level, from just starting out to super senior. Let's kick things off with a senior engineer. A really powerful strategy when you have a lot of experience is to go in reverse chronological order. Start with what you're doing right now and then work your way back, giving less detail the further you go. You see how that works? Each step is just a quick, high-impact summary. You're not listing out boring tasks. You're talking about outcomes, fighting fraud, scaling data pipelines. Each one of those is like a little headline that makes the interviewer want to ask a follow-up. It immediately signals that you're a senior-level person with a clear career trajectory. But hey, this framework isn't just for the seniors. It's super flexible. Let's break down how you can use the exact same formula whether you're entry-level, mid-career, or a seasoned pro. So for an entry-level candidate, your story is all about potential. Using the formula, the who you are, is a junior dev with about a year of experience. The how you got here, this is key. It's not about a long job history. It's about that awesome 2-year internship where you really honed your mobile dev skills. And the why you're here is that clear, passionate goal to specialize in mobile, which connects everything right back to the job they're applying for. Okay, now let's level up to mid-career. Here, the story shifts from potential to proven impact. Who you are is an experienced engineer with 7 years under your belt. The how you got here is interesting. It focuses less on the tech skills, which are kind of a given at this point, and more on those crucial soft skills like collaboration. And the why you're here? This part is brilliant. It shows they've done their homework and connects their skills directly to the company's need for a team lead.
And finally, at the senior level, it's all about scale and vision. Who you are, a 15-year veteran, an experienced leader. How you got here? By managing a team of a specific size. Notice that number. Quantifying your experience is so important. And the why you're here is all about the future. Stating a big career goal like becoming a CTO shows ambition and strategically places this job as the next logical step in your plan.
So as you get ready to craft your own answer, just use this simple checklist. 1. Focus on the job you're actually applying to. 2. Think about what really makes you stand out. 3. Align your skills, both tech and soft skills, with the role. 4. List out your accomplishments and quantify them if you can. And 5. End strong by showing them exactly what value you're going to bring to the table.
Okay, and this might be the most important takeaway of all. Please do not memorize the script. You'll just end up sounding like a robot. The goal here is to internalize your story. Know the key points, know the highlights. It's your career, your journey. You just want to be able to tell that story with real, authentic confidence.
All right, there you have it. You've got the framework, you know the principles, you've seen the examples, you know what to do and what to avoid. The only thing left is to figure out your own narrative. So, what story are you going to tell?